Chino. Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
You want a baby? You want a girlfriend?
Hello.
You want a girlfriend?
Hello.
What do you want? What do you want?
He approaches the current custodians of the staff.
Oh.
Ready, go.
What do you want, Chino?
Football.
Chino, you want a girlfriend?
I want football.
Eh, you want a baby boy instead of a girlfriend? You want a girlfriend? Chino, answer Mama Chin. You want a girlfriend?
Hello.
What do you want?
Hello.
What do you want?
Nolan!
What do you want instead? You want a girlfriend? I'll buy your girlfriend. You want a girlfriend?